What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I kind of wanted to go over some of my Uniqlo pieces that were sent to me actually by Uniqlo. My Instagram content is sponsored, but the YouTube video is not sponsored. But I kind of just wanted to go into just some of the basics that you can really find at Uniqlo, and just the fact that, like, style is really based off starting with the basics, starting with simple items that you can see yourself wearing for a long period of time. As I've always liked to talk about, for me, I think that when it comes to style, you have to be patient and you have to learn how to grow it in an authentic way. And I find that, like, places like Uniqlo really do help you do that. I'm gonna jump into the pieces that were sent to me. There's about 4 or 5 pieces, and yeah, show you guys how I styled them, and let me know what you think, and let's jump right into the video. Starting with the first piece, I'm gonna start with the super simplistic hoodie that I'm currently wearing. To be honest, I do love incorporating hoodies in my layering and just overall, like, during the fall and winter, and as I know you guys probably also like to do. So this is just a simple black hoodie. I got it in a size XL, I believe, and they do kind of fit a bit tight. So if you do want it a bit like loose or oversized, I suggest you go 1 or 2 sizes up. But absolutely comfortable, man. Like, that's one of the things that I just love about this about Uniqlo. It's just a lot of their pieces are super comfortable, like the t-shirts. A lot of people in general, when they're looking for basics, they really do go for Uniqlo. And this hoodie is absolutely perfect. It's a vintage details and a relaxed contemporary fit. They have a bunch of colors like black, white, cream, even gray. So you do have a lot of options. I think it goes for about 50 Canadian dollars, which is pretty decent. And yeah, so that was one of the pieces that I picked up. I think for me, I wanted to layer it with one of the coats that I also picked up, which we'll get into later on, and this vest as well, which is kind of what I did in some of these clips here, just layering the hoodie with a vest or with a coat. I find that, like, personally, like, that really works really well for the fall. And just before we get into winter, as I told you guys, for me, I prefer layering pieces other than wearing just a big parka. So a lot of the times I'll have a hoodie, a vest, and then an oversized coat. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this hoodie. Super simple, all black. Got it in an XL. I've been wearing it quite a bit, and it fits perfect for me. So yeah, that's it for the first garment, and we're gonna jump right into the second one. Moving into the second garment, we have this cardigan, this v-neck cardigan. And to be honest, I haven't worn cardigans in quite a long time. I think the last cardigan that I was really into was this Marni cardigan from last year. And again, this is gonna be just a layering piece for me. This is something that I can incorporate in my sort of like fall winter looks. I love the color, so I got this in a beige colorway. It's 100% merino wool, so super comfortable. Like, right away you just feel the comfort. The fabric is really neat. I got it in a size large or XL. I think I got it in a size large, but for me personally, I kind of like my cardigans to fit a little tighter, especially if I'm gonna be layering them. I kind of like when they hug the body a little bit, because I can just kind of put a tank top underneath and just layer it with the cardigan, and it usually looks pretty good. And then throw on an oversized coat or even just a vest. So yeah, so the cardigan as well comes in different colors, so you can get it in navy, black, or brown colorway. For me, I went with the beige colorway just because I already have a lot of black, as you guys know, in my wardrobe. So I've been kind of looking more and more into incorporating more colors in my wardrobe, and just like simple things like a cardigan, like just those really good basics that you can either wear by themselves or you can actually layer them. And I think that that's always important in a wardrobe, at least for me specifically. I find that it's always good to go back to your basics, to simple things that you can find yourself kind of layering or utilizing here and there. You may not necessarily wear them all the time, but they come in handy whenever you want to layer, whenever you want to just throw on something a bit basic and just like neat. And I feel like this cardigan does exactly that. And one of the reasons, again, why I got it in a beige colorway it's just for the purpose of layering, to be honest. Like I have a lot of black coats that I feel like with a pop of beige would the outfit would stand out a lot. It's extremely comfortable. It's, again, like I said, the material is 100% wool, which makes it a bit comfortable for those fall evenings where it gets a bit chilly. You can just kind of throw on the cardigan and throw on a vest or an overcoat, and you're usually pretty much good to go. And yeah, again, in terms of fit, I kind of just went with my regular size, a size large. But I don't know, if you wanted to fit a bit tighter, you can kind of go with a medium. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this cardigan. So moving into outerwear, we have this beautiful black vest that I got. Now, to me, vests, again, they're just such an important garment to have in your wardrobe, just in terms of like layering. Like I just really find, I even made a video on this, I'll leave a card up here for you guys to check out. But yeah, I just find that vests are such a great way to sort of layer an outfit, especially like around this season where it's like a little bit warm during the day, and then it just gets a little bit colder in the evenings. And having like a good like 1 or 2 vests to utilize during these times is absolutely great, at least for me personally. And yeah, so I picked up this all black, simple, clean vest, again, Uniqlo. Got it in a size large. It's about 30-40 USD, like $60 or 60 Canadian dollars. And again, they have it in different colorways, so depending on how you want to dress it or what you want to wear it with, you can kind of pick like a navy black or even like an army green colorway. I just went with black because with vests, I kind of just, again, I tend to wear them with overcoats or just either with just like a shirt or a t-shirt, and I kind of prefer if it's just a simple neutral color like a black colorway. And yeah, so all around great great vest. It's got let me just check in terms of material, it's 100% nylon, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Here on the website it does say that it's durable, water repellent, so you can actually wear it when it's like a bit raining, like not too much. If it's raining just a little bit, you can throw it on and it'll be fine. Apart from that, it's got 2 pockets on the side, 1 pocket inside, and super neat, super simple, nothing too crazy. For me personally, like as you can see in this outfit, I kind of layered it with my the trousers, again from Uniqlo, and threw on this hoodie with the vest, which is something that I probably, this is what I tend to do with vests. I usually kind of tend to wear them on top of my hoodie. I tend to do that with my cold wool vest, and I'm probably gonna do this with this vest in particular. Super simple, nothing too crazy, but just a great piece to kind of layer, again, to kind of like work within your wardrobe. Like it can be useful for different kind of things, for different type of like styles that you're trying to incorporate in your wardrobe. And I think it's always good to kind of just have like 1 or 2 vests that you can kind of throw on, especially like I said in these times where the weather is just kind of all over the place, and just having a vest to throw on is always a good idea. So yeah, and we're gonna move into my 2 trousers that I picked up, starting with the first one. The first pair of trousers is just a simple black trouser, super comfortable. It's called the Smart Ankle Pant. Now, in terms of fabric, it's 100% polyester. I personally felt like they were a bit too tight on me. I won't wear them as much, I believe, but they're insanely comfortable. Like if you're looking for a nice slim fit pair of trousers that can also be comfortable, I would tell you to not go anywhere else but Uniqlo, just because in terms of comfort, I hadn't worn slim trousers in a while. Most of the time my trousers are a bit like sort of like a wide fit, a pleated wide fit pair of trousers. These are like your sort of classic slim pair of trousers, and I find that, like, honestly, in terms of comfort, I was so surprised. Like they're super, like the material is extremely stretchable, it's extremely comfortable. The waist fits really good. I didn't even have to wear it with like a belt. In the thighs it fits really nice, in the crotch area as well, which is usually where I tend to have a lot of problems when I'm wearing like slim fit trousers. I find that like in the thighs it's always like just so uncomfortable, but these are absolutely perfect. The material is great, and also for the price, like I think they're about So they're about 40 Canadian dollars, which is probably like 25-30 USD. So pretty reasonable price. Again, they come in different colors. They have a beige, a black, an army green. And if you're honestly looking for a pair of trousers that you can kind of wear every now and then, maybe for dinners, maybe if you're going to a restaurant, or just want to look a bit more neat, or maybe even a pair of trousers to wear with like a blazer, these will be perfect. Like, I think in terms of comfort, honestly, I was very surprised, and I kind of paired them with my Balenciaga derbies, and they look really good. In the outfit that I wore, I had the hoodie, the vest, these trousers, the black trousers, and my Balenciaga derbies, and honestly I was super comfortable and quite surprised by the comfort of the trousers for sure. And then we have the second one, which is a beige colorway. Again, like I said, I do try to sort of step away from black every now and then, just to kind of have a bit of variety in my wardrobe, just things that I can wear every now and then, just to kind of break away from like your all black or all white looks, and just to bring a bit more style and a bit more like flavor or colorful styles into your wardrobe. So this pair, again, in terms of materials, sorry, 100% polyester. In terms of comfort, as comfortable as the black pair. They're both the smart ankle pants. If you're into slim fit trousers, I would definitely suggest you to kind of look into some of these Uniqlo ones, because I just generally feel that you won't be able to find something this comfortable but also this neat. That's it for the two trousers, and we're gonna jump into the one outerwear that absolutely I could not wait to get, and let's get into it. Alright, so for the last garment, we have this beautiful oversized coat by Uniqlo. Again, I got it in a sort of dark brown colorway, and guys, as you can see, fits absolutely amazing. And again, like I said in some of my videos in the past, you don't need high-end to look good or to be stylish. I think what you need is to build your style from the ground up and to just include super neat basics in your wardrobe. You don't necessarily need to spend that much to look good now, you know. I think that you can spend little and build your wardrobe up to the standards that you wanted to build it up, and then eventually you can kind of start looking into some high-end pieces that you would really love to have in your wardrobe, you know, just because you're an enthusiast of fashion in general, which is what I personally did. You know, like I remember the times where I kind of shopped Zara, like Uniqlo, H&M, and that's how I grew my style. Yeah, so jumping back into the video again, this Balmain, it's called the Balmain coat. They have it in two colorways. They have it in the dark brown colorway and in the navy colorway. I went with the dark brown because I don't know, for some reason I'm not a huge fan of navy because it's just too close to black, and I already have so much black in my wardrobe, so I just always prefer, and I didn't have anything sort of dark brown in my wardrobe, so I just decided to go with this dark brown colorway. Absolutely was super happy with it. Now I like my coats to be a little bit oversized, so I went a size up. I went with a size, I think I went with a double XL actually. So this is gonna be great for layering. Like if I wanna throw on this hoodie with the vest, with the overcoat, that's probably how I'd wear it. And yeah, so those are the pieces that I picked from Uniqlo, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the support on my last video. It's highly appreciated. Make sure to subscribe as always, and you can follow me on my Instagram at GREGNTORE, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.